Hi friends, welcome back to another English learning video. Today we are going to talk about something super important. WH question words. You know words like who, what, when, where, why, how, which, whose and whom. These tiny words help us ask big questions, but many learners mix them up. So today I'll make everything crystal clear with fun examples and easy tips. Let's jump right in. Let's start with who. We use who when we want to ask about a person. Examples: who is your favorite teacher? Who called you yesterday? It's simple. Who always points to people. If the answer is a name, use who. For example, if the answer is Ali, Sarah, or my friend, the question must start with who. Next, we have what, my favorite one because you can ask anything with it. Use what when you want to ask for information or things. Examples: what is your favorite food? What are you doing? What time is it? Use what when you want to know about something, not someone. Now, when. This one's all about time. Use when to ask about the time or date of something. Examples: when is your birthday? When did you move to USA? If the answer is a day, date, or time, your question should start with when. Next is where, used for places or locations. Examples: where do you live? Where is the nearest supermarket? If the answer is a place name like at home or in the park, start your question with where. Now comes why, the word for reasons. We use why when we want to understand the cause or purpose of something. Examples: why are you upset? Why did you leave early? Answers to why questions usually start with because, like because I was tired or because it was raining. Next up, how. This one's about methods or ways of doing something. Examples: how do you bake a cake? How are you today? How did you learn English? There are also different forms of how. How many for countable things. Example: how many apples do you have? How much for uncountable things. How much water do you drink? How long for time. How long have you lived here? And how often for frequency. How often do you study English? So yes, how is very flexible. Now which. It's used when there's a choice. Examples: which color do you like? Red or blue? Which bus goes to your school? Use which when the options are limited. You already know the possible choices. Whose. Then we have whose for possession or ownership. Examples: whose phone is this? Whose bag did you take? If the answer starts with my, your, his, her, their, then the question should start with whose. And finally, whom. This one sounds a bit formal, and people don't use it much in daily conversation, but it's great to know. We use whom to ask about the object of an action, the person who receives the action. Examples: whom did you invite to the party? Whom are you talking to? Or simply, who are you talking to? In casual English, most people say who instead of whom, and that's totally fine. Use whom when you want to sound polite or formal, like in writing or interviews. Okay, let's quickly review. Who is used for person, what is used for thing or information, when is used for time, where is used for place, why is used for reason, how is used for method or way, which is used for choice, whose is used for position, and whom is used for object. Simple, right? Just remember what kind of answer you accept. That's the clue to picking the right WH word. And that's it for today's lesson. You did amazing. Now you know exactly when to use each WH word. Here's your quick challenge. Write 3 sentences in the comments. One with who, one with why, and one with how. I'll check them out. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next